Hi guys, welcome to PT Guest Pass by Women's Health. My name's Ciara Madden and I'm a level 3 qualified personal trainer. I'm going to be putting you guys through a lower body resistance band class. 45 seconds on, 15 seconds off, and hopefully you're really going to feel the burn. At home, in the gym, in your bedroom, whatever feels comfortable for you, all you need is a resistance band. We're going to really burn out the body with one little piece of equipment. Let's get started. Right guys, first off we're going to get into a warm-up. So take your resistance band, pop it down. We're not going to use it for now. What we're going to start with is a little bit of mobility. So what I want you to do is come to the edge of your mat, raise your arms up to the sky, and we're going to walk ourselves down. All the way into a plank position, dip your hips down, and walk yourself back up. We're going to repeat this so we do 10 times. All the way down, all the way back up. Raising up, we've got 8 more to go. Down, hips down, back up. You're going to feel a slight stretch in your hamstrings. You want to engage your shoulders, dip that bum down, and raising back up. 7 more. Back down, and all the way back up. Extend that back out, get a nice stretch. Dip your hips down, and rolling back up. We've got 5 to go now. Dip those hips. It's going to start getting a little bit harder, so keep pushing through. You'll be surprised by how much your body weight really burns. We'll go for 3 more. All the way back down, hips down, walking back in, up, onto the last 2 now. Rolling yourself down, dipping those hips, back up. We've got 1 more to go. So, final 1, dipping yourself down, all the way back up into a nice big stretch. Next up, we're going to go for 20 squat jumps, and what I want you to do is a little squat pulse in between. So, pushing through your heels, we're going to jump 20 times, shoulders back, 19, up 18, up 17, use those arms for a bit of momentum, 16, up 15, 14, and again, push through, it's going to start to burn now. Last 12, up, 11, last 10, 9, keep going guys, 8, 7, focus on your breathing, 6, last 5, 4, 3, 2 more, last 1, and relax. Next up, we want to go into a nice lunge position, pushing through your heels. We're going to dip down and kick back. So we're going to fire up your quads, your hamstrings, and your glutes. 10 of these, so I've got 8 more. Down, pushing through those heels, 7. Pulse at the bottom, 6. Again, pulsing down, 5. Again, last 4. Keep those shoulders back, 3. Last 2, 1 more, and 1. Now we're going to switch legs. So, left leg forward, right leg backwards, shoulders back, coming down into your lunge, kicking up into your glute. 9 more. Pulse, pulse, kick. 8. 7. Last 6. Feel that burn in your glute. 5. Your legs will start to really struggle now. 4. Last 3. Dig deep. You can do it. 2. 1 more. And relax. Well done, guys. Right. Warm up done. Time to get cracking. So, what you want to do, guys, grab your resistance band, pop it on, step into it, and bring it just above your knees. You want to make sure there's a little bit of stretch to it. First exercise, we're going to go for a squat hold, pushing those knees in and out. 45 seconds on, 15-second rest, let's go. Opening and closing those knees. You want to keep your shoulders back, face forward, again, focus on one spot, and we want to feel where your knees connect in towards your glutes. Push that weight through your squat, We're already 20 seconds down, so dig deep. We've got 25 seconds left. This isn't the worst of the workout, so try and focus on your breathing, catch your breath, and embrace the burn. Got 14, 13, 12, 11. You can do it, girls. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. 15 seconds rest. Go straight into the next one. Keeping that band on. 45 seconds worth of squat jumps. 5 seconds, and we're going straight through into it. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. So down, launching up. Take your time. We want to make sure that we can do this for the full 45 seconds. Keep pushing through, use those arms. All the way up, pushing through those heels. We've got just under 30 seconds left. Let's go, guys. Dig deep. Use those arms for momentum. I know it's starting to burn. I'm with you. All the way there. Last 15 seconds now. You can do it. 13, 12, 11, 10. Nearly there. Focus on your breathing. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 15 seconds rest. We're going into the next one. Crab walks. Dropping low, focus on catching your breath back on this one. It's going to start to get a little bit harder now. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Nice and low. Take your time. Go slow on this. Tracing your mat. Pushing through your heels. Shoulders back. Again, engaging those glutes. 15 down already. Let's see if we can get 3 rounds of the mat in. All the way along, and again, reversing backwards. Coming through, last one. Let's go, guys, last 15 seconds. Dig deep, shoulders back. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Coming up into the next one. Again, this one's gonna be a little bit higher tempo. We're going to go for touchdowns. So legs wide, touching down to the floor, shoulders back, bum out, 3, 2, 1, let's go. In and down. Touch that floor, push through those heels. We're already 10 seconds down, guys, you're doing amazing. Dig deep in it. 15 seconds down. Pace yourselves. I know we're all getting warm now. 20 seconds down. Push down and up. Last 20 seconds, guys, we can do it. Shoulders back. If you struggle with this, go for a stationary approach. You can do this without the jump. Last 23, 22, 21. And coming into the last 5 seconds. And relax. 15 seconds break. Next up, a stationary one. Catching our breath, holding onto that resistance band, find your balance. We're going to kick out to the side. 3, 2, 1, let's go. We've got 22 seconds on each leg. Find one spot, focus on it. All the way through, push through those heels. If you want, stretch out your arms. And a couple more seconds. 2, 1, other side, let's go. Switch it out, all the way through. Keep the shoulders back, focus on that one spot. It's gonna start burning in the stationary standing leg. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. I know it's burning. Now, side to side squat. So again, facing forward into your mat. What we're going to start with, feet together, stepping out to one side, stepping out to the other. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Nice and low. Again, this one will give you a little bit of a chance to get your breath back. If you want to speed it up, you can add a little jump in, just like this, to make it a little bit faster. For me, I'm going to stay nice and static, focusing on my squats. Right guys, we've got 25 seconds left. Dig deep, let's go. Nice and low. Last 19, 18, 17. Push against that resistance band. You can do it. Last 12. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax guys, well done. Really getting a sweat on now. We're gonna go into the next one, which is squat mobility. So, turning sideways on your mat, feet nice and wide, dropping into a squat. We're gonna go nice and low, tilting the pelvis down, bringing it up, pushing through your heels now. You can do it guys, dig deep. We're already 10 seconds down. Again, focus on those shoulders back, push that resistance band nice and wide. 15 seconds down guys. Dig deep now, you can do it. Try and stay down. Keep those legs under tension if you can. Last 20 seconds. You can do it. 19, 18, let's go. Last 15, focus on your breathing. Push through those heels. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, embrace that burn. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax, shake your legs out. It's really getting hard now, guys. You're gonna be happy to know we're on the floor. Bring that band down just below your knees. Oh, catch your breath. We're going into donkey kicks. Are you ready? Point that toe and let's go. Up, nice and high. We've got 22 seconds each leg. Keep it all the way up. Another 12, 11. Point that toe, lock that glute. You can do it. Last 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Straight swap over. Let's go. Other leg. All the way up. Another 20 seconds on the clock. You can do it, guys. Dig deep. Shoulders back. Keep those glutes locked. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. We're flipping over onto our backs. Let's go. Bring that resistance band up nice and high. Up above your knees. We're going to go into a pelvic thrust. Leg down. Keep those hands by your side. And raising up. 3, 2, 1. And let's go. Up, down, up, down. Squeeze those glutes nice and high. Raise those hips up to the sky. Really, really squeeze when you get to the top. Release as you come back down. Keep your shoulders down, dig them into the mat. Push through your heels and squeeze. If you want to increase the tempo, you can go a little faster, a little higher. If you want to relax, bring that thrust all the way down, nice and slow. We've got 10 more seconds. Let's go, guys. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We've got one more exercise, okay? Dig deep. We're gonna bring our hips up to the sky and we're gonna open and close this resistance band. Push against the band, keep it nice and open. The tension is while your knees are far apart. Let's go. Opening, closing, opening, closing. Really, really dig deep now, guys. This is the last exercise. You can do it. You've done amazing so far. 10 seconds down, 15 seconds down. Keep those hips high, push against that band. 20 seconds down now, guys. Really open and close, dig deep. Your butt might start cramping. That's a good sign, it's not a bad thing. Last 15 seconds, let's go. 14, 13, 12, 11, you can do it. 10, 9, 8, 7, even harder. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Done. Well done, guys. You absolutely smashed it. I am dripping. Right, guys, thank you so much for joining me here on Women's Health PT Guest Class. I've been Ciara Madden. You guys have been amazing. I hope that you're all as sweaty as I am right now. Make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe to Women's Health UK on YouTube for more workouts just like this so we can get you sweaty all over again.